What happens when your alarm goes off in the morning? Do you get up straight away or hit snooze? How about when someone sneezes? Do you say bless you, gesundheit, sante? In everyday life, there are events like these that require a response. You can also create programs that listen for events and respond to them. This approach is called event-driven programming. The events your program can respond to are things like a button being pressed, a user typing in a field, or a web page loading. You can write code that will execute an action whenever an event occurs. For example, sending a message when a user clicks the send button. Event-driven programming is great for creating a user interface. Each element on the interface has a number of events that you can use to trigger code, such as typing, hovering over an element, or clicking on an image. Video games also use events to trigger specific actions when a player runs into an item or stands in front of a door. Want to know how events can help make web pages interactive? Or how you can use events in your games and interfaces? Read on to find out.